The central message of this piece is that attraction isn't created through the words a man uses, but through his energy, tone, and restraint. Most men believe that affectionate nicknames like baby, sweetheart, or honey make women feel special, but in truth, these words often destroy attraction. They signal emotional neediness, predictability, and lack of polarity, qualities that make a man seem common and uninteresting. A woman loses interest not because she dislikes affection, but because she stops feeling the emotional tension that keeps her intrigued. The author introduces the idea of the forbidden nickname, a word or phrase that triggers curiosity, emotion, and mystery instead of comfort. Unlike overused pet names, this kind of nickname feels unique, symbolic, and emotionally charged. It speaks to a woman's subconscious and makes her feel both seen and slightly challenged. Examples include names like Trouble or Little Storm, which convey both playfulness and depth. When delivered with calm confidence and perfect timing, such nicknames bypass logic and awaken something primal within her. The key is energy, not vocabulary. A man's tone, presence, and composure determine how his words are received. If he speaks from insecurity or seeks validation, even the most powerful words lose their impact. But if he speaks from calm authority and self-control, his words resonate deeply. This reflects the Stoic idea that mastery begins with controlling one's mind and emotions. The man who governs his reactions projects quiet strength, the kind that draws others in effortlessly. The text uses real examples of men who fail by overusing soft nicknames or talking too much. Their mistake isn't caring, it's showing too much, too soon. True attraction thrives on scarcity and mystery. When a man withholds affection and chooses his words carefully, each one carries more weight. A single, well-timed nickname delivered with composure has more power than endless compliments. Silence becomes an amplifier, allowing her imagination to fill the space and making her think about him long after he's gone. This philosophy rests on Stoic principles: speak little, stay grounded, and act from awareness rather than impulse. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Let your words be few and your actions fair." When a man practices restraint, both emotional and verbal, he creates mystery. That mystery transforms into fascination because a woman's mind becomes absorbed in trying to understand him. The less she can predict him, the more she invests emotionally. Tone plays an equally crucial role. Women respond not to information, but to the emotional frequency behind it. Two men can say the same line, but only the one who speaks slowly, calmly, and deliberately evokes emotion. A grounded voice conveys security and confidence. A nervous tone conveys need. The forbidden nickname works only when the man's tone is steady, when it feels earned, not performed. Ultimately, the passage teaches that true masculine power comes from self-control. Attraction isn't built through effort or performance but through presence. Women are drawn to men who embody calm authority, who speak less but with purpose, who reveal little yet make every word count. It's not manipulation, it's emotional mastery rooted in awareness. In the end, the lesson is simple: say less, mean more. Let silence and composure speak louder than words. Avoid predictable expressions of affection and replace them with intentional communication. When a man can remain centered, mysterious, and grounded in his energy, he becomes unforgettable. The forbidden nickname is just a symbol of this larger truth, that real attraction grows not from constant attention or sweet talk, but from a man's ability to remain anchored, disciplined, and quietly magnetic.